this video, I'm going to show you how to hide files on your laptop. So this is a great way of keeping files and documents hidden from other people using your computer. Now to do this, we just need to go and open up one of the folders on our computer. So I'm just going to open up my documents over on the left-hand side, and we're going to start by creating a new folder. So I'm going to right click on here, click on new, and then select folder. Now you can go and give this folder a name. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to leave it as this. And then what you need to do is go and place the file that you want to hide inside of this folder. So I'm going to be dragging this file here and I'm going to place it in my folder like so. Now once you have the file inside of this folder, all you simply need to do is go and right click on the folder, then click on properties, and then click on this checkbox at the bottom next to hidden. You can then go and press apply and OK. If you get this pop up, just press apply changes to this folder, subfolder and files, and then go and press OK. And as you can see, this folder has now disappeared. So if someone comes over to your documents, they won't actually be able to see this. Now, if you want to get this back yourself, then what you need to do is click on view in the top navigation, click on show, and you can go and select this checkbox next to hidden items. And as you can see, this will make the folder appear. And if you want to go and make this invisible again, you just need to go and uncheck that hidden box. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.